Variables is probably one of the most fundamental topics of programming. It exists in every single programming language, hence, it's very important to master it. Why waiting then? Let me show you how it works. Imagine variables as boxes that hold values. These values can be numbers, characters, or even more complex data. Just like you label boxes to know what's inside, we give variables names to identify the data they store. Now, let's take a look on what we can store inside a variable. We can mainly store 5 types of data in a variable: numbers, characters, booleans, custom data, and list or array. We need to know what these types are represented by in our programming language to create a variable. For instance, integer numbers are represented by int, fractional numbers are represented by double, characters are represented by char. In some languages, a sentence is represented by string, booleans are represented by bool, and custom data types are represented by whatever you choose to call it, while a list can be represented by either list or array, depending on what programming language we use. However, both of them are same, so don't worry.